A law from 1931 that would ban abortion in Michigan is suspended tonight. A judge today said the law would likely violate the state's constitution if Roe v. Wade is overturned. 13 on your side's Andrea Flores explains what it means and has reaction from both sides of the argument.
This decision in Michigan is a massive relief and a real beacon of hope.
Tuesday afternoon, a Michigan judge issued a preliminary injunction to Planned Parenthood of Michigan, which means a 1931 state law banning abortion is not enforceable while the case is being settled, even if the U.S. Supreme Court overturns Roe v. Wade.
This means that I know I'll be able to continue to take care of my patients, that I'll be able to help them achieve their dreams and their goals by controlling their reproductive health decisions.
Last month, Planned Parenthood of Michigan filed a lawsuit against the state to take the law off the books. In Judge Elizabeth Gleicher's ruling Tuesday, she says forced pregnancy is a threat to a woman's constitutional right to bodily integrity and due process.
Right now, it maintains the status quo. Abortion is still legal in the state of Michigan. People can still access, people should still feel safe to go to their doctors and access safe legal abortions.
The defendant in this case is Attorney General Dana Nessel, who has said she would not enforce the abortion ban. Because of that, a lawyer with Alliance Defending Freedom, who represents Right to Life Michigan and the Michigan Catholic Conference, says the court had no jurisdiction.
They may not like it, but no one has the ability to unilaterally ignore, change, encourage the invalidation of Michigan law. They should be working through the democratic process just like anyone else.
He also argues that the judge should have recused herself as a known donor of Planned Parenthood who has represented the group before. Since only a government entity like the Attorney General or state legislature can intervene as a defendant, Alliance Defending Freedom is now looking at their legal options.
But we could intervene possibly as a plaintiff. Because we have the same interest in upholding the law that Planned Parenthood is claiming in trying to strike down the law.
There's another case in Michigan that could decide state abortion rights. The state Supreme Court is looking at a lawsuit brought forward by Governor Gretchen Whitmer to establish abortion as a right in the state constitution.
As soon as the Michigan Supreme Court rules on it, all lower courts in Michigan are bound by that decision. So that would ultimately decide the case with no further need for litigation. And so we'll see how quickly they act on that question.
In Grand Rapids, Andrea Flores, 13 on your side.